Alright, I got cut off in the last video about 8.3, and we were factoring this trinomial with the leading coefficient that was not 1 by grouping. And what we had ended up with was 3x plus 4 times 4x minus 3. We can check that out. 4 times 3 is 12, and then outside is a negative 9, inside is a positive 16. 16 minus 9 is 7, and it's positive, and then 4 times 3 is a negative 12. That checks out. So this is indeed our solution to this particular trinomial. Now moving on, we have our next trinomial here, and one of the things that you might notice about this is a perfect square and this is a perfect square. But remember, unless we have a positive for this perfect square, it's not going to be a perfect square trinomial. So this is not a perfect square trinomial. So in this particular one, we are going to, again, try our trick. So we have 4 times 9, and we get the factors of 4 times 9, 36. So 1 times 36, and then 2 times 18, and 3 times 12, and 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. And so now with all of the factors of 36, we are looking for the ones that give us a difference of 9. So we have 3 and 12, which give us a difference of 9. So we'll be rewriting the middle term, not negative 9, with the 3 and the 12. So we have 4x squared. I need a negative 9, so I'm going to do a negative 12x and a positive 3x. Those give me a difference of 9, and then minus 9. Now I'm going to factor by grouping. Grab the first two, grab the second two, and factor by GCFs. So 4x is going to come out of the first two. That will leave me with an x minus a 3. And then out of the second two, I have positive, negative. I need a positive, negative, so I'm going to factor out a 3. And that's going to be an x minus 3. And then my GCF, x minus 3. And I write that down, and then I get ready for my binomial. Out of the first term, I have a 4x, and then plus, out of my second term, I'm left with a 3. And then I can check to make sure that that's correct. 4x squared is my first term, outside is 3x, inside is negative 12x, negative 9x, and negative times a positive is a negative 3. All right, moving on to my next one. Now across the board here, want to check and make sure that we don't have a GCF, right? Because you should always check for a GCF. So there's a 3 in common here, and that's why I'm noticing that, right? And this one, 8 plus 5 is 13, so it's not divisible by 3. So no GCF. So again, we're going to try our trick. 24 times 9. And so we have 9 times 4, which is 36, carry the 3, 18 plus 1 is 216. So we have 1 times 216. Now this one's going to be really painful. And 2 times 21, that would be 10, and then 8, so 108. Let's see, 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9, so this is divisible by 3, so that's 72. And then 4, yes, it's divisible by 4 because the last two end in 2 digits are 16, so 4 will go into 21 5 times with 1 left over, 16 4 times. 5 will not go into it. Let's see, 6 will definitely go into it because it's divisible by 3 and it's even, so 6 times. 6 will go into 21 3 times with 3 left over, so 36. 7, no. 8, let's see, yes, 8 should go into it. So 8 goes into 21 2 times. And let's see, that would be 5 left over, so 27. And then 9 should go into this as well. So 9 goes into 21, let's see, 27 times. Let's see, this is 8 and 9, so the 9 with the 3 is 27. Let's see, 9 goes in there. Let's see, 9 goes in there 2 times, 18, 36, so 24 times, yes. And then 10, no. 11, no, doesn't look like it. 12, let's see, is there a 12? Yeah, there should be a 12 in there. Let's see, yeah, there's a 12 in there for sure. And 12, and then 18 is the other one, and then 13, no. 14, let's see, I don't think so, not 14,